Hello guys, today in this episode, I shall show you how to clear dungeons very quickly, very fast in Dungeon Quest. So first, you move your mouse around Dungeon Quest logo and click the play button. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. 4 times it is. Alright, so here's my very nice character. And here are the very cool people. I don't know how I played this game for that long. But yes, so what you got to do when you spawn in after clicking the play button 4 times is you got to make sure you're using a very nice setup that you enjoy a lot. So as you see, this is my very epic setup. As you can see, I have the strongest iron helmet there is alive. It is max upgrade. One of the best, very rare, but it is uncommon. I have not got the legendary version. I have purple novice armor. It is not master yet because I have not mastered this game, unfortunately. And I am rocking very nice enchanted sword. This is one of the strongest swords, second being the still strong sword. But I do not have the first strong sword, which is strong sword. Right, and I'm using very nice blue fireball, which is the Hadouken, as you can see, Hadouken. And then I got very nice, what is it called? I got arcane spray. This one goes for a long time. It is the skill used to make people fall in love with you, but it hurts them instead in this game, and it doesn't work in a romantic way in this game. So as you see, I am using spells mostly, but my sword is mostly on the physical damage for some reason, but my helmet is going for a spell, so that makes no sense. But it is okay because I usually don't hit, but I will sometimes hit. If you see me hit, I am doing it because I calculated that hit. Right, so you got to press play button in the bottom right, and you got to create dungeon. I don't recommend joining dungeon. The reason why is because most of these players will hold you back to your true potential, and you could release all your energy in one. So I shall show you how to do Desert Temple on easy but hardcore mode. Now this is very hard, but it is very good to use. So I shall create a lobby. If you are doing this on something like Volcanic Chambers, I recommend doing Nightmare hardcore mode. That just makes it 10 times more easier. But for me, I am doing this on easy hardcore mode because it is hard. As you see, I'm level 16. That is solid proof that I do not cheat my levels. So as you see, I am spawning into Desert Temple, and I shall teach you how to quickly do the Desert Temple. I will not do any other temples or dungeons because Desert Temple is the way to go when farming very nice, when clearing very nice dungeons very fast. Right, so once you're in the Desert Temple or whatever dungeon you chose to do, I recommend you press the start button as soon as you can because you want to speedrun this. So make sure you're spamming W, because okay, I got a very nice head start. You can also, if you have very nice purple spray, you can spray through the wall, as you see, and that will get just a little bit more quicker. Okay, so now we Hadouken these guys. Hadouken! Very nice, and then we hit them. As you see, I one-shot. That is because I come from One Punch Man universe, but these guys are not ready. So you can also get a very nice cheat over here, and I can get a very nice cheat over here, and then yes, okay, that was very good round. That was in one spray. That is how strong purple is, or pink. I don't know what color. It's depending. That's purple, but that's pink. I don't know. One of them. You cannot really run very fast, but you can jump, and it makes it a little bit more interesting if you're bored at running. But I prefer running because it seems like when you jump it goes slower. Okay, so we're going to Hadouken this side. Hadouken! We're going to hit these guys, and then we're going to Hadouken this side, and then we're going to hit these guys, and then we are going to gather up these people. As you see, I gathered them up, and I'm going to Hadouken, and then I'm going to hit them. Alright, and then that cleared that, and then we're going to spray. Oh no, we're not going to spray yet. We're going to Hadouken these guys and hit them, and then we're going to run over here, and we're going to make them into a group again. So make sure I get everyone. Okay, I got everyone. Make sure I get everyone here. I got everyone here, and get everyone right here. And then we're going to Hadouken. Very nice Hadouken, as you can see. I leveled up. That is the quick levels, and then I'm going to put it in spell power because why not? And then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to Hadouken. And I'm going to hit, and then I'm going to Hadouken again, but this time I will hit, obviously, and then this time I'm going to get them in a line, but before I do that, I shall spray. See, it makes sense what I was saying. Alright, the boss is not very hard. All you got to do is if you're hitting, you hit, if you're spelling, you spell, and if you're not spelling and doing both, you do both. So here I go. So I press all my spells. That is how you do it. As you see, I got very nice blue drop. That is ultra rare. So let me check that ultra rare. Yes, it is very nice ultra rare, but it is not as strong. I want to get the short I want to get the strong sword drop, but I cannot get that drop. That drop is like a 1 in 10, which is pretty low, but considering my luck, I do not get anything good. Alright, so we're back here. Now, the thing that sucks about doing dungeons in Dungeon Quest is whenever you come back, you have to go around. You have to move your mouse around the Dungeon Quest logo and press the play button 4 times. Oh, this one's taken a very long time. Alright, so yes, I am back. And that was approximately 3 minutes that dungeon took. So if you do the math, and the short and the strong sword is very, very fast, is very, very good sword, that would be the chances of you getting that would be very good. That is the math, the very hard math. The one I can solo is hard mode on Desert Temple. So let's see if it does 3 minutes. Yes, the 3 minutes include the loading time of the Desert Temple, like speedruns do. You know, the speedruns do that. So this one's an actual speedrun. I will actually put my tips and tricks and my how-to guide into the yes, no hacking, no exploit. You know, and then we start. Oh yes, that is one other tip I forgot to say. When you're starting, I recommend starting as soon as you spawn. So keep clicking when you're on the loading screen. Alright, so we're going to do this. We're going to Hadouken first, and then we're going to spray them with very nice purple stuff. As you see, I wasn't one-shotting them, so this is a problem. So this time, yes, we're going to Hadouken. Alright, and then we do that, and then we run. Oh no, they're right behind me. Alright, so we gather these people, and then Hadouken, and then we spray them with very nice pink spray. Alright, that round, okay, this hitbox not working. Alright, so now we got to new place. This time we're going to gather up every single enemy in the whole entire world. So I got that group, and they're a little bit too close. I might die. Who knows? I don't die though. That is the problem. Alright, pink spray. Very nice pink spray, as you can see, and that is one floor done in an instant almost. Right, so this time we have to go to the left side first. We can't go the right way. So we can also get very nice hits in, but it only does that much damage and not very good. Oh my goodness. Okay, we can Hadouken them, and then we're going to spray them. Very nice. Okay, so we spray, we keep spraying, and we run back this way. We have to quickly run back this way, so I'll speed run by doing spacebar. And then this time, Hadouken! Alright, and then we get a hit in, and then we spray these people. Okay, so the debris didn't spawn on the right side this time. I was hoping I could get a little bit of a time save, so I have to go the left way. So make sure if you're going to go the right way, you know that you're right. Alright, here I am. I'm in another room, but I don't think it's the floor. Another floor, I think it's the same, disconnected, but I don't know. Alright, I'm getting hit, so I must spray them before they hit me anymore. And I leveled up again. That is another way to level up very fast, is to do a hard mode. And I'm going to put it into spell, because I am mage. And then Hadouken! And then hit. Very nice one-shots, because I am that strong. I am one of the strongest Dungeon Quest players here. The level 100s, they've been playing just for a long time. They don't have any skills in this game like I do. Alright, this time I know it's the right way, because you can't go left way twice and leave. I will even check. I don't even have to check. I do have to check. So the left way was the right way. So I am wasting a little bit of time doing this speed run, but that is okay, because I'm not trying to get world record, because I do have the world record on Desert Temple already. If you do not know, if you search my name, scamming exploit site, if you go team viewer on the Google, you will see me as the first download link. Alright, so we got to go through another door. So as you see, it's legit. I'm not cutting this out. The time is moving as we speak, because I am not that fast. Oh, Hadouken! I forgot to say that. That is why it was a little bit weaker. And then we spray them, and for some reason, they're not going to die! Oh my goodness! Dungeon failed? I nearly bet my new world record! Look! You type in TeamViewer onto your Google or whatever website you're using. Look at that! I nearly bet it! It is 0.44! And on timing site... Wait. Oh, I nearly bet my world record on TeamViewer!